This video is about 10 tips of Canva. First tip is making background of image blur. So let's start. Let's insert this image. Right now its background is different, so let's make it white. Click on edit, and from here click on background, then decrease saturation and brightness. Now click on text, add heading, write some text, select some color, change it to uppercase. Now select rectangle for left side, change its color. Now again select text, change its font, add a heading, make it vertical and put it on left side. Now we change its design. So go to design, click on styles, pick some style and apply that. Tip number 2 is position of object. For this, go to element, search for image, add some images. You can add images without keeping any alignment, like this. Now select the images, click on position, and click on tidy up. They will adjust automatically. These were aligned from middle. Tip number 3, adding animation to image. For this, select an image after going through element, add image and increase its size up to the size of the page. Now click on animate, click on photo zoom. You can select in and increase scale, or you can select out. You can adjust scale and it will animate. Tip number 4, magic eraser. Select an image like this, increase its size up to the size of the page. So in this image we have 2 persons. Let's remove one from this image. For this, click on edit, click on magic eraser, select brush size, and now place brush and move it over this person like this. So it will be removed from the image. Now click on erase. That man will be removed from this. Tip number 5, magic edit. For this, in this we will add extra image element to existing image. So select an image like this and increase its size up to the size of the page. Now click on edit, click on magic edit. Now select brush and select the area where you want to add some extra element or an image like this. In description, add like this, add a tree. It will add tree object in this image. So it will generate some images. Pick one that you like and it will add to the image, and click on save button. It will work like this. Tip number 6, change color of the object. So for this, go to elements, select an image like this. Now click on edit. Now go to adjust, click on color edit. Now change hue, adjust whatever color you want. And same is with saturation, need some adjustment to this and it will change the color. Tip number 7 is match and move. In this you can follow the steps how to place match and move within the pages. So for this, click on elements, then select some images. Let's add few images. Reduce their size and place these like this. Now select all these images and group them. And increase now their size in this way so that one image will be in the middle of the page and like starts from here. Now go to elements, select the circle, stretch it like this from both sides and place it here like this above the images. Make it white in color. Now duplicate this and place it on the bottom side as well. Now duplicate the page and move this image so that next image will be in the middle. Again duplicate the page and move it so that next image will be in the middle of the page. Repeat this process so that every image will come at least one time in the middle of the page. Now click on page animation, select match and move, increase its duration and apply it for all pages, and it's done. In this way, match and move can be applied between pages. I hope it's clear to you. Tip number 8, interlocking letters. Select text, add a heading, like we are adding two letters D and C. Group them and increase their size like this. Select letter C, change their font and ungroup them. Place C above D like this. Now change its color. Change its color. Like this, and duplicate the page. Delete letter D from this page. Download this image as PNG with transparent background. Select page 2 and click on download. So it will be downloaded. Upload this image. Now come to first page. Add this image to the first image. Add this letter image to this page and place it above letter C so that it exactly matches the position. Now reduce the height of letter C image. Now you can see D is interlocked between top and bottom letters. Tip number 9, background video with text. So for this, select a video and place it on the page. Now click on text, add a heading, put some text here. Increase its size. Place it in the middle, change its font. Like this. Increase its size. Now click on elements. In search box, search for rectangle. Click on graphics and select this rectangle. Rotate it. Place it here on one side. Increase it up to the height of the page. Similarly, do the same for right side. And same with the bottom and top. So that only text will be visible like this. Now it's added on all sides, so it's done. Tip number 10 is blend image. Select an image from elements select another image, reduce its size, place it here. Go to apps, select blend image. In the bottom layer, select this image, and in the top layer, select this image. In the blend mode, select multiply. So in this way, blend image will work.